Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter pairing mode on your headphones JBL TUNE 770. So basically we have two options how to enter pairing mode. The first one, if your headphones turn off, you need to press and hold power button at the right ear cup until the LED light start blinking blue. So press and hold. We just turn on them, keep holding this button, and now you will hear also prompt pairing, and we just enter to pairing mode, this LED light blinking blue. We can go to the settings and Bluetooth and check that we see them at the device list. As I said, we can also enter to pairing mode manually. I mean when it's turn on these headphones, and to enter pairing mode when your headphones turn on, you need to press 2 times the power button. 1, 2. You will also hear prompt pairing, and this LED light start blinking blue. And we just enter to pairing mode, we see them at the device list, so you can now pair them by just tap on them, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!